How to view forms in TurboTax Online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll explain how to view your tax forms in TurboTax Online, so make sure to watch until the end for all the steps and additional information. So to view your forms in the TurboTax, you first need to create an account on it. And if you don't have one yet, please take a moment to sign up to TurboTax website, and you will need to provide your tax information and other details as well, so be sure to enter the correct information. A simple process to view your form is to sign into your account on TurboTax website, log in using your phone number, email address, or user ID. And after that, on your profile page, select the tax return form you need. You will see a list of different tax forms available. Click on the forms icon next to your chosen tax return, and once the tax return file opens, scroll down and click on the forms icon to view your form. Now under the Forms section, TurboTax will display all the forms related to your selected tax return, and you can click on any form to view or print it. And that's it. Viewing your forms in TurboTax Online is that easy. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.